Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to ombre your hair in literally 5 minutes. So I use the Prism Lights blue. The reason why I use the blue instead of the purple is because blue helps to neutralize the orange tones. You want to minimize the amount of orange tones that you receive. Then I'm going to go in with the Salon 20 Developer in the clear. The reason why I use clear is because it is liquid, makes for an easier and smoother application. So once I have the two together, and you really don't have to use too much, as you can see here, I didn't use very much of either solution. That is because the liquid permeates through the hair nice and easily, and it is easy to apply onto the bundle. You'll see in just a second. Now for the star of the show, introducing main Couturier's diamond grade bundle. Look at how soft, luscious, and full, bouncy that bundle is. You need some of that in your life. It starts off at $55 only at themcexperience.com. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to actually place your bundle into the solution. You're going to dip it down almost like you're doing the watercolor method, and go ahead and use your brush to apply the bleach through the bundle. Look at how easy it is. You want to soak your bundle as if you're trying to soak a towel. Just stick it in there and let it soak up that bleach. Once I have done that, I'm going to go ahead and comb through the bundle a little bit. Then I'm going to place it on top of the foil and just apply the rest of the solution onto the bundle. Look at how that body wave is staying intact as well. Our body wave comes back. The wave comes back. Once you have finished doing that, I'm gonna allow the bundle to sit for 45 minutes. It is a 20 volume, so it does process slower. You may need to bleach it twice to get your desired look, and this is the final result. Look at that ombre. Super easy, it is even, and it is beautiful. If you like this video, please thumbs it up, subscribe, comment down below what you think, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Don't bring that rage on me. Why did it always